and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet, but I do throw in a little bit of other things every now and then when I can. Well, today is WIP Caddy Wednesday, favorite day of the week. That's where I get to showcase the whips that I'm working on and the whips that you guys are working on. So I'm going to go ahead and start with what I'm working on. I'm working on the Hobie Cozy right here. And I'm using Mega Yarn. I will show that to you in just a second. I just wanted to show, spread this out and show you what I've gotten done so far. All right. Here it is. Okay, guys, so this is the yarn that I'm using. This is Hobie's We Love yarn. So I'm working with these 4 colors for this blanket. It says classic acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic. The color is 12, and I think it's teal, maybe the color on this one. It's a medium 4-weight yarn. Let's see how many yards this is. Here it is. 765 yards. So these are the 4 colors that I'm using to work on this cozy blanket. And I know it's 60 inches wide, so I'm not sure how long I want it to be. But that's what my whip is. I don't think I have a name for it. I was going to call it the Cabin Fever throw. It doesn't look like a Cabin Fever color. So if you got any names for this blanket, this is basically the colors. And it's for, you know, winter cozy blanket throw or whatever. It's 60 inches wide. So yeah, just let me know. And to let you know, the 4 stitches that I have in here, I keep forgetting them. So I'm going to read what I have on my book here. All right, so we have the floret stitch, the wattle stitch, the V's in a row, and the elegant stitch. I'm combining all those stitches to make this blanket. And I do have crochet stitch tutorials if you're interested in learning some of these stitches, you know, to do other stuff with. You know, it's good to know all the stitches, as many stitches as you can, right? Well, I'm having fun with it. Tanya is making me a basket, currently making me a basket where I keep samples. And I will show you the latest one that I just worked on. All right, so I keep them like this. This is the Fort clusters. I just finished. And that went out Tuesday. So I will leave the link in the description box below if you would like to make this stitch. Very cool. I love this stitch. And yes, I do have plans for this stitch, so be sure and watch out and to see what I have for this. And I forgot to mention, I am using a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook for this cozy blanket. So for right now, I'm going to stick with Cabin Fever, unless I, you know, get a real cute, catchy name. I don't know. Then I may change it. But if you have any suggestions, feel free to comment on a name suggestion for me. So the other day when I went to Joann's with Amy and Sue Ann and my sister Tanya, I bought this big twist cotton yarn. I only bought one thing of yarn. I just couldn't figure out, I guess I was so excited about being with everyone that I just couldn't really concentrate on what I wanted yarn for. And their sales weren't like, oh my gosh, I gotta have that type sale. And so I haven't had this and I wanted to try this out. But it's a medium 4-weight, machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry flat. And it's 107 yards, 85% cotton, 15% polyester in this thing. All right, so the other thing is I got a letter, Happy Mail, from Barbara. Thank you, Barbara. I love this. And look at this. She says, have a nice day. This is a personal note to me. I just want to say thank you, Barbara. I love it so much. She just like congratulating me on my wedding and things like that. And I just want to say thank you. This did make my day. I appreciate this very much. And I went to eat lunch with 2 of my high school friends. We tried to meet at least once a month. Well, Rose, she gave us a little Halloween bag full of stuff. And I wanted to show this off. Glow mask. What else do we have in here? I thought that was really cool. Look at that hot chocolate bomb. And this in here is really, oh my gosh. Sour box of boogers. Tangy gummy boogies that look and feel real. Ugh, I don't know, but I am going to try it. And I haven't tried these before. You know, Reese's is my favorite kind candy bar, I guess you could say. But this is Reese's Sticks, so I'm very excited about trying this. And this is really cute. This is some Palmer's milk chocolate. Yeah. So I love those. Oh yeah, this is a cookie from, I think she said it was Japan. So I don't know, it looks like a little flat pizza. And she did give us a cup here. Isn't that crazy? I know my sister Tanya would love this. So thank you, Rose. I appreciate this very much. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and see what is on all of you guys' carts. I'm so excited to share this with everyone. Okay, guys, so I am going to start with, I'm assuming that's either MC Ollie or Mac Ollie, Claire, but I apologize that I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that, but I want to start with this slide here because this is my pocket shawl pattern. I have a free tutorial and then I have a pattern on Etsy, and I just want to start with this because it is just beautiful. She says, Happy Halloween from Ireland. Oh my gosh, someone way out in Ireland from where I live is making my pocket shawl. So this is so cool. She said that her friend loved it so much that she made her one too. You ladies are just beautiful, and I just want to say thank you so much for sharing this and putting this on the Facebook group page, and I hope you don't mind by me including this in today's video, but I just had to. So thank you. That is just beautiful. Okay, so now we have two projects that Doris has, and they are both beautiful. I love the colors in the tray. Let's see, the first one on the left-hand side is a basic knitted triangle shawl garter stitch using US 9 and 5.5 millimeter Addy Rocket circular needles. The yarn is Scarfy in the colorway Silver Cream. I love Scarfy yarn. And the project on the right is a ladies round yoke top that she's designing using Line Brand True Boo with a 4 millimeter tulip hook in the colorway Coral. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful, Doris. So here Doris has another project that's going on, and I just definitely had to share this. It is just beautiful. She says that she's making good progress on the Premier Pattern Tutorial Granny Square Strawberry Shortcake using her Superwash Merino hand-dyed mini hank collection. It's a DK weight, a tulip 4 millimeter hook. She said she's named the blanket Kaleidoscope Throw because every color under the sun is in this project, and it is so super soft. And wow, Doris, that is just stunning. Thank you for sharing this. I absolutely love this. So here we have Christine's beautiful projects for WIP Wednesday. She says on the left front is a cow using Line Brand Scarfy in cream/black, Barocco plush in black, and Yarn Bee soft and sleek in black. The pattern is Bagaude's Crochet Cow Scarf Arabella's Jewels. The middle in the back is Boggy Creek Blanket, no progress this week. Bagaude polychromatic pattern using Caron Simply Soft and Red Heart color block in granite. And the third is the middle front, teddy bear parts in Red Heart Super Saver in mistletoe. The pattern is by Keep Calm and Crochet on YouTube. And the right is most recent squares for a granny square blanket in progress using scrap yarn. Everything is beautiful, Christine. Thank you for sharing and inspiring all of us. So here we have Pam's WIP cart. She says that this week's works and her WIPs is 3 kids' hats, scarf, and mitten sets. The hats are all different patterns, but the scarves and mittens are all the same. The last mitten is almost done. The bag in front is the beginning of a Caroline doll, a request from one of her granddaughters, 1 large pumpkin, and she's really been kicking some yarny butt. Hope everyone has a great Halloween. Be blessed and keep on creating and inspiring. And then she says she forgot to mention that the fringe on 2 of the scarves, it is twisted fringe. She likes it much better than regular fringe. And I like it a lot better too. But thank you so much, Pam, for sharing all these beautiful projects. So here we have some beautiful projects by Teresa. She says that the red, white, and blue blanket pattern is Country Cozy Afghan by Caron that she made for a Christmas gift and just finished tonight. Ah, that's awesome. A dishcloth using the moss stitch for her niece out of yarn from her sister who passed away in August, and I'm so sorry to hear that. And the last photo is a set of towel hangers minus the buttons from a pattern that she found on Pinterest. And she says, keep crocheting and have a blessed rest of your week. Well, you too, Teresa, and I think everything is just beautiful. Okay, here we have some beautiful projects that Lori is working on. She says her WIP Caddy is a pair of top-down knitted socks, and I love those colors. The koala bear squares for her animal blanket that she's making from free patterns from Repeat Crafter Me, and she's made a pumpkin bear amigurumi, which he is just adorable. Thank you so much, Lori, for sharing these with us. Everything is just so cute. Okay, so here we have Patsy's stuff. She said this is Wednesday's WIP Caddy, and the cart is a shawl and a top shelf. Has the blocks for the next row of the Sunburst Granny Throw. The third item is a Minnie Mouse blanket that needs the head sewn on. She said her hand now has an infection from the surgery, so she don't know when this stuff is going to get finished. Well, Patsy, we are keeping you in our prayers, and we love you. And your projects are looking wonderful. And thank you for taking the time out to share these with us. Okay, so now we have Rose's beautiful cart going on here. She says that her cart's a hot mess. Well, it actually looks very good compared to mine. She says she's working on the sweaters for her grandkids. She finished one and it's already on its way to her granddaughter in Nebraska. She says, ignore the top shelf. The second shelf is the green sweater hoodie. Light pink is a baby hat she just started working on. The fuchsia is a sweater for her other granddaughter. And she has other projects are in the works in the project bags. And she says, happy WIP Wednesday. Well, happy WIP Wednesday to you, Rose. And thank you for taking time out and sharing these with us. Okay, there were some beautiful projects on there. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys that share what's going on with your WIPs and stuff like that. And for whenever you share your WIPs, then when you finally get it finished, you share it as it's, the final product. We all love that too. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who does that. And thank you to everyone who watches to see what everyone, what the ones who have posted, what what they're working on. So just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. Okay, guys, it's time for our Be Still and Know devotion. It says, recorded wrongs. Love keeps no record of wrongs. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 5. Many experts agree that one of the ways to keep relationships healthy and strong is to avoid phrases like you always, you never, or I can't believe you did this again. True love releases past mistakes and genuinely believes for the best next time. This gives freedom from guilt and permission for the relationship to move on and grow. This truth applies to everyone we interact with in life. Let's not keep track of people by their offenses and label them for their mistakes. Let's give freedom to grow and learn. God keeps no record of confessed wrongs. Release yourself from regrets and live in God's freedom. Lord, I confess that I have held resentment in my heart towards people who have offended me. I release those wrongs to you now and ask you to help me erase them from my heart. You are perfect in your love for me, and I want to be more like you. This is definitely speaking to me today. I hope it speaks to you. Yes, I really needed this today. So, yeah, that's all that I have for this. I'm going to try to do a video tomorrow. I did finish my corner to corner blanket, and I would like to show that to you guys, a finished object. And I've got a Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club in the mail, and I would like to show that to you guys. And I'm not sure what else. I'm sure I've got something else. And anyway, whatever I can dig up, I will show it in tomorrow's video as well. I'm going to leave a link for Line Brand. They do have their Santa sacks on sale. I'll leave my affiliate link below in the description box in case you guys are interested in that. Go back and watch my Temu video that I did of a bunch of crochet items. And if you haven't seen my Monday vlog, go and watch that. It was time out with the women's committee at my home. I did a little party thing, not a party thing, but a little, you know, I guess provide tuna salad sandwiches and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and chips and stuff like that. And while we had a little committee and get together of trying to, you know, work out the final plans of our women's conference. And then going out to eat and going to Joann's and stuff with 2 of my subscribers. Sue Ann, she was one of them that won my giveaway. And how ironic is that? She lives here in Arkansas. I thought that was pretty cool. And with Amy and then my sister, of us hanging out. So go check out Monday's life vlog video. I think you'll enjoy it. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.